Hello.
Come in.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Are you ready for your 73 questions?
Yeah, as ready as I'm going to be.
So, what's your name?
I'm Shannon.
What healthcare program are you in?
I'm currently in the dental program.
And what year are you?
I'm currently a D1.
Where did you go to undergrad?
I went to Augusta University,
And dental school?
Dental College of Georgia.
Did you take any gap years before going to dental school?
I did not.
What has been your favorite part of dental school so far?
Probably the lab classes, like operative.
What did you think dental school was going to be like on the first day?
So it's going to be super exciting and super busy.
What is it actually?
Very, very busy. A lot of stuff.
Are there any specialties you're considering?
I am thinking about ortho, but I'm trying to keep my options open right now.
What do you like about ortho?
I like being able to see patients like ages ranging from like little kids all the way to like young adults.
How long does your dental school training take?
It takes about 4 years, and if you want to specialize, it'll be extra years added on top.
How long does specifically orthodontics take to specialize?
I currently haven't looked super into it at the moment because I'm still not too sure if that's what I want to do or not.
Okay. Are you considering getting any other degrees like an MBA or an MPH at all?
Not currently.
What would you say is the most unique part of dental school?
Unique part of dental school, probably all the lab classes that we have to take, so we have to learn all these different skills.
So why should someone choose dentistry?
I think it's honestly one of the best professions to look into if you are super detail and art oriented.
Why should someone not choose dentistry?
Probably for the same reasons. If you're not super into like looking into details, or if you like doing things with your hands, it might not be the profession for you.
Are there any stereotypes about dental students?
Well, Andy here told me that dental students are apparently very aesthetically oriented.
They are.
I guess.
Well, in your opinion, are the stereotypes true?
For some people, yes.
Do you guys have to practice a lot of fillings, casts, and other lab techniques?
Yes, we do. We have classes specifically oriented for those specific things. And I'm gonna go and make some lunch. Oops.
What's the hardest technique you've had to do so far?
One of the hardest techniques, probably, we recently started doing a new preparation, and it's basically you have to do preparation on the back of your teeth, and it's just really hard with the indirect vision because I'm not used to it.
Are you ever nervous with any of the instruments, like the drills, any sharp objects, you know?
I'm always nervous when it first starts, but you get used to it a lot. We started working with scalpel blades that you would use in surgery, but I'm sure we'll get used to them sooner or later.
How many hours a day would you say you study?
Study probably ranges from none at all if I want to take a break that day to like 6-7 hours.
What's the most amount of hours you've studied straight in dental school?
Probably from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Taking some breaks for like meals, of course.
Borderline not healthy, but go you.
It's okay, it's only for final season.
How many lab hours do you average in a week?
Probably we have 8 hours for lab classes, and then we probably will go in for an hour or two for not practical weeks.
How many tests do you have on an average week?
Average week, we'll have 1 for the good weeks, and then it can go up to 4 on the bad weeks.
That's not good.
Yeah.
What time do you normally wake up?
Usually we'll wake up at around 7, because our classes will start at 8 a.m.
What time do you normally leave? Or what's the latest you've left school for labs?
Latest I've left school from lab, probably 1 or 2 a.m.
How many hours of sleep are you typically working on?
Typically working on maybe 4 to 5 hours.
How many hours of sleep are you working on now?
About 8. It's more than usual.
That's good.
Yeah.
Do you ever have to take care of clinic patients?
Not as of right now.
Will you have to in the future?
Yes.
Would you like to stay in academics or do private practice one day?
Definitely private practice. don't think I'll be returning to academics.
How long do you think it'll take you to feel really confident in some of your techniques?
It usually takes me probably around like 10 hours in lab to feel confident in something, but mistakes always happen because you never know if your arm can suddenly go off in the wrong direction. You mess up your preparation. Sad.
Who are you most thankful for in dental school?
I'm super thankful for the friend group I'm in. We all like really support each other and try to keep each other on top of all the material that we have to learn.
What's the most interesting or funny dental case you've seen so far?
Haven't really seen any funny ones. Interesting ones, there have been a couple where we get to see like how they choose like when would be a good situation to make bridges or implants and stuff like that. So just why you would use a certain restoration.
What's the most common dental advice you give to people?
Brush twice a day, floss once a day. Please do it.
What's your favorite nerdy random medical fact?
Not everybody has the bacteria that can cause cavities, so some people are just really lucky and can eat whatever they want and they literally will not get a cavity.
That's such a dental nerd fact.
I am a dental
Anyways,
student, so
I guess we can't avoid talking about it right now, but how has being a dental student and dental school in general been impacted by COVID?
So we only go in person for labs. Everything else we do is online. Yep.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about your life inside the classroom. How about the life when you're not studying? Those few hours you're not studying.
Not studying. I'll probably either like play video games. Sometimes I'll stream it, or I'll do some art since I'm trying to like start a sticker business.
Okay. Does your family ever ask you for random dental advice?
Yes, they do.
What's the weirdest question a family or friend has asked you?
They asked if they should get a crown or not, and I was like, I'm not really qualified to answer any of these questions without any other information.
You have any pets?
No, not currently.
Dog or cat person?
I think I'm more of a dog person.
Favorite animal not a dog or a cat?
Hamster.
If you could have dinner with anyone in history, who would it be?
Probably my grandmother from my dad's side.
And what would you guys be eating?
She really likes this restaurant that used to be near her, and she would always get like this black bean, green bean dish, and also like this eggplant dish that was really good.
What's your favorite dish to eat?
You know, all food is really good, so that's kind of a hard question you're asking.
Any favorite restaurants around here?
There's the Mirror Infusion restaurant that recently opened here that's pretty good.
Coffee, tea, or soda?
Tea, green tea, all the way. Green tea's the way to go.
How much water should you be drinking a day?
Should be drinking 8 cups, but I don't always hit the 8 cups, but I try to.
What's your favorite healthy snack?
Healthy snack, veggie straws, if that counts.
I guess that counts. What's your favorite guilty snack or cheat meal?
Cheat meal, probably sushi or poke.
Love it.
Yes.
All right, most controversial question here. Be prepared to be judged by the internet. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
Yes. Are you one of the people who doesn't like pineapple on pizza?
Anyways, next question. Apple or Android?
Android.
Any artistic hobbies you keep up with?
Drawing.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Just about anything.
Do you ever listen to music to pump you up before a test?
I don't know if pump me up is the right word. Maybe relax is a better way to put it.
What is the best way to relax after a long day for you?
I'll usually get on Genshin Impact and just play a little bit, just to get my mind off of studying.
Are you a night in or go out on the town kind of person?
Night in.
Indoors or outdoors?
Indoors.
Beach or mountains?
Mountains.
Would you consider yourself an introvert or an extrovert?
Probably more of an introvert.
Was that personality trait a factor in you choosing dentistry?
Not necessarily.
All right, well, thank you so much for your time. As we wrap up, I want to ask a few reflective questions. So, what did you think you were going to be when you grew up as a kid?
I think I thought I was gonna probably go into medicine, so nurse or medical doctor.
Is there a different healthcare career specifically that you think you would have done?
Uh, Probably not.
If you didn't do dentistry, what do you think you'd be doing right now? And you could do anything, not even healthcare related.
If I were to do healthcare related, probably would be some like a medical doctor of some sort. If not, I probably would start like my own like online Etsy shop if I could.
Were there any times in college or even in high school that you doubted that you would make it as a dental student?
Yes. Those really busy weeks with all the exams.
If you could change one thing about the medical field right now, what would it be?
Probably ease of access to medical care and dental care too.
What can a pre-dental student in high school or college do right now to prepare for dental school?
So currently it's really hard to get shadowing and stuff, so I would say work on manual dexterity skills.
If you were to go back, would you change any of your experiences that got you to where you are right now?
I probably would have taken the time to learn how to take a break. Yeah.
All right, and finally, what would you say to the aspiring dental student right now?
Never give up. Just keep working towards what you're passionate in.
All right, well, thank you so much. That concludes our 73 questions. Enjoy your
Rolled
beautiful
eggs.
looking rolled egg.
Thank you. And I gotta go get that.